Transform your life with the Law of Attraction, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the power of the Law of Attraction and how you can use it to transform your life. The Law of Attraction is a universal principle that states that we attract into our life the things that we focus on, whether positive or negative. By understanding this principle and applying it in our lives, we can create the reality we desire. So, if you're ready to transform your life and start attracting abundance, happiness, and success, then keep watching. Step 1. Get clear on your goals. The first step in using the Law of Attraction is to get clear on what you want to achieve. Be specific and write down your goals, no matter how big or small they may seem. This will give you a clear direction and help you focus your energy on what you truly want. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. The next step is to cultivate a positive mindset. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, so it's important to focus on positive thoughts and eliminate negative ones. Start by being grateful for what you have and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Surround yourself with positive people and eliminate negativity from your life as much as possible. Step 3. Take inspired action. Now that you have a clear direction and a positive mindset, it's time to take inspired action. The Law of Attraction is not just about visualization, but it's also about taking action towards your goals. Take small steps every day to move closer to your desired outcome and trust that the universe will help you along the way. Step 4. Let go of outcomes. The final step is to let go of the outcome. Trust that the universe has a plan and everything will fall into place in due time. Don't get discouraged if things don't happen as quickly as you'd like. Trust in the process and keep focusing on your goals. Remember, the Law of Attraction is a powerful tool that can help you transform your life. By following these steps and applying them in your life, you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.